Good morning, class. My name is Mr. Aldrich. Thank you, kindergartners, for coming to school. Today, in science, we are going to be investigating the different ways of forces of push using a ball. Now, what I have here, I have brought a ball, which I'm going to demonstrate with you guys later on, as far as like, what can you do to make this ball move? But in the meantime, I have some pictures I want to show you. This guy right here. Tell me, class, what do you think he's going to do with this ball? You. Right, he's going to throw it using his hand. That's right, the ball is in his hand. He's most definitely going to use some kind of force to push this ball to get it out of his hand, correct? I'm going to show you another picture. Tell me what you think he's going to do, how he's going to get this ball to move. You. Thank you, thank you. Correct. He's going to get the ball to move by kicking it. He's going to kick it with his foot. Great observation. I'm going to show you the ball that I have here. This is a basketball, right? All right. How can we move this ball? You can roll it. That's right. How can we move this ball? Another way, besides roll, what can you do? You can bounce the ball. All right, we're going to start right there. What we're going to do, we're going to go outside. We're going to figure out how we can pair up and make this ball move. But first, we have rules. And we're going to go over our science rules. 1, we're going to take turns. 2, you're going to pay attention. 3, going to make sure your partner is ready. 4, take care of the materials. That's the ball. And protect yourself as well. 5, stay in your spot. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to get up. The balls are already placed outside. You just walk in your pairs, who you group with. We're going to go out and we're going to investigate. We're going to see what happened. We're going to come back and we're going to discuss what happened. Okay? All right, see you guys in a minute. All right, welcome back, everybody. Glad you guys, did you guys enjoy that? All right. All right, let's report out. But first, I got some questions to ask you. I'm going to explain this chart for you. All right, yes or no. That's going to be the answers that you're going to give me when I ask you, when we come across the line. You can move the ball if you do any one of these things that we actually observed. So these are the things that we wrote down on our investigating sheet, and this is the things that we tried. All right, you're going to start from the first line. You can move the ball if you kick it. Can anybody answer that? All right, you. Good job. Good answer. We're going to check it off. Next question. Same thing. You can move the ball if you throw it. Yes or no? What do you think? Good job. Yes. You can move the ball if you sit on it. All right, everybody settle down. You, what do you think? Good answer. No, you cannot move the ball if you sit on it because the ball is what? You're not moving because, all right, you're sitting on it. All right, next, you can move the ball if you bounce it. Yes or no? You. Great. Yes. And last question. You can move the ball if you hold it. Yes or no? No. All right. All right. That's right. We got 3 yes and 2 no's. All right. For what we're gonna do now, we are going to do one last thing. This is our exit ticket before we get ready for gym in our investigation. What did we find out from big push and the little push? Big push means the ball traveled far with some kind of force. We're going to plug them in. And what you're going to do on your sheet before you leave, you're going to tell me, you're going to plug in what you discovered. So I'm explaining the sheet. What did we find out with a little push? And so in the little push, it's going to say, you're going to say the ball traveled less with a You're going to use one of these lines in these categories. You're going to use any of these lines: soft quick, soft throw, soft bounce. For big push, you're going to use hard kick, hard throw, or hard bounce. But before you start, I just want to give you an example of what I observed out there. Then once I'm done, you can take your time and fill out your sheets, and you can put them in my tray, and you can line up and get ready for gym. All right, until the meantime, here's an example of what I found out. With a big push, the ball traveled far with a hard kick. I saw someone kick the ball really hard. Now, with a little push, what did we find out with a little push? The ball traveled less with a soft throw. So that means I didn't throw the ball. I seen the ball thrown very lightly. It didn't hardly go anywhere. So those are examples of what you're going to do. So just remember what you and your partner did outside. I'm going to check the answers on it when you come back from the gym. I'm going to grade them, and I'm going to give it back, and maybe we'll go over it again tomorrow and do more things as far as investigating with the balls. So thank you guys for your time, and have a wonderful time in gym. Bye.